come with me to the barn on a rainy day. So since it's raining a lot, I wanted to check on the ponies, especially Gaiva, since she is sensitive to rain and getting cold. So I went to the paddock and found Gaiva. I checked to see if she was cold, so I decided to take her inside since she was shaking a bit. I also checked Hector and he was completely fine. After fighting to get her inside because the paddock was extremely muddy, I was drenched. I scraped some of the water of her and put her in a blanket. Then I just let her stand and get warm again. After an hour or so I started to tack up. My friend helped a bit. After tacking up, I warmed up. Today we worked a lot on getting her to bend of my leg and listen to my cues. After riding, I tacked her off. At this point, it wasn't raining anymore, so I put her out in the paddock. That was all I did today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for 10,000. Before you move on, I just want to say thank you for watching.